Hi guys, watch me how I style this my pixie coil using scarf to style this wig pixie coil of mine. So you can try this. This is style 1, the way I start from the beginning. It has style 2, 3, 4. So any of them that is your favorite, please let me know in the comment section. My darling, I was just trying to look forward to to spice the wig cap, that kind of thing. So yeah, when I finished with this style 1, I was loving it. Finished with the style 2, I was like, oh my god. Then finished with the style 3, was amazing. So you also make your own option for me. Let me know the one that you love mostly. Okay, so I will leave this video for you to continue watching and enjoy. All right, bye. Also, please hit the subscription button so that each time I upload a video like this, you will be the one to see it first. Okay.